A very good morning to all of you. I have some news to share with you. Yesterday, some samples were taken and they were sent for testing. Amongst these samples, there were 2 samples of 2 people who were involved in a case of an arson which was registered at the police station. These people were in judicial remand, and before sending them to prison, mandatory COVID testing, which is desired, was done, and both the samples of these 2 people were sent for testing. One of these 2 samples has turned out to be positive. This is a person named Nadeshan. He is 37 years of age, male, and a resident of Surakudi, Tirunallar. This news was received today morning. The sample result was received today morning. Accordingly, as per the protocol of Ministry of Health, Government of India, we have set up a containment zone in the Surakudi area, and the movement of people in that containment zone in and out is completely barred. That containment area has been set up today morning with the help of police, PWD and revenue. All required public announcements in that area with respect to delivery of essential items will be made. Apart from that, the contact tracing of this person has been started. Already 8 contacts, the close contacts of this person have been identified, and their samples have also been sent for testing. More contacts are being identified. Places which this person visited in the past 3-4 days are being identified and will be sanitized and disinfected. As more and more contacts are identified, their samples will be taken and sent for testing. Media will be briefed accordingly on this. So, this information has come in. I just wanted to share with all of you. Thank you.